You practice on count function.
Count. Yeah, yes, yes. Even I did left, right, and mid also.
The sum function is similar to the count, but here we will not the counting here. Here we will sum adding sum, simple sum. Then
And
we
the
will select
range.
the range.
Range, yeah.
This one. And then after drag down, going so for the all the rows. And for some here we will do the sum function. This one, close bracket, and drag down this one. This one. So this is the means the row wise sum and this the column wise sum.
Column, yeah.
Yeah, and here we can sum this wise, or this wise. Both result will be same in this way, right? This one.
Yeah,
Because
understood.
what we are doing, we are adding this one
Horizontally,
horizontally,
yeah.
and then after vertically we are summing here at
Yeah.
a position. And here what is happening? Here sum the vertically. This is the vertical, and then finally it's a horizontal.
Yes.
This is the horizontal. Then it is come out. Suppose we will take the some criteria. Sometime a data in this format 5, 8, 8, 5, 7. And now we want to the add this one. Some function will apply here and close bracket. So this is the getting the error. So we cannot able
Yeah.
to subtract. So what we
Yes.
have to do at this situation, we have to just simple sum. We have to just select this one, comma, this one, comma, this one, comma, this one, comma, this one. Close bracket. This one. This way we can sum the in some situation when there is the this is the count and sum function. And then after sum if suppose that we want to the sum the values which is the greater than 150. Criteria is the 150. Sum if range this one criteria should be greater than 150, or we will refer to the this one and refer to the this cell and then close bracket. Then criteria range on this one the sum range, and then finally we will give the sum range here in the closing. One thing here we have to understand.
Why second range is added here?
Here, one thing we have to understand here. We have to fix this one G2. We have to fix this one because this is the fixed amount. So we have to fix this one, and then after drag down.
And my question is why second range is added here?
Second,
Range.
yeah. Second range is this one.
Yeah. Oh.
Actually, in the some if there is at first what is happening. At first, they to select the criteria. What criteria? is what is the range where the criteria will be applied. So range is the, here the same as the sum range is also here the same. This is the sum range. We want to the sum of this value, but only we want to the value which is greater than 150. So what we had did, at first we select the whole range. This is the range. This is the range, and then after we apply the criteria, this one. This is the criteria, greater than 150. Then after the here the sum range. It is the sum. What we want to the sum. This is the for the criteria. This is the criteria range, and this is the criteria. This is what we want to the sum. We want to the sum of this one. This is the square bracket. And this is the square bracket because by this is the square bracket means we either we will give, then it will give the output. Otherwise, why suppose we remove this one, and then click on OK. Then it will also give you the correct answer. But sometimes there is, when we will see the letter some ifs, and so we will work on the, suppose that this criteria is the, suppose the criteria range is this one. We will discuss on this data. Suppose here some range is the salary. Okay. Some range is the salary, but criteria range should be the department. Department, we select the whole this range is range, and then after apply the criteria is human resource. Then it will be give the sum for the human resource, and then after finally we have to give the salary here. Salary, because the what we numeric column is only the added, text column is not possible to the add each other. So that is the why here is the given the option the sum. Again. Got it? Hello?
Yeah, understood. Sir.
So this is the sum range. This one. And then after here the sum ifs means we are giving the criteria greater than, here is the criteria greater than 150 and less than 190. Less than, greater than 150 and less than 190. And sum ifs. Ifs means here we are applying more than one criteria. For the one criteria sum if. And one there is the criteria more than one, then it is the sum ifs.
Yeah, understood. Multiple criteria, yes.
Yeah. So, but here is the one thing different. Here is the sum range is given the earlier. Can you see here? Sum range is given the earlier.
Yeah, in the first,
And
yeah, correct.
first, and criteria range is the here, and then criteria
understood.
one. So at first, what we will do, we select this range, this one, and then comma, criteria range one, criteria range, select this one. Then after criteria, we will take this one. So this is greater than 150. And second criteria range, this one again, second range, and then criteria is less than 109. This one, and then here is the this. Here is the 0. There is the 191. This is the greater than less. We want to the one less than 190 and greater than 150. There is no any value here content, so that's why 0. This is the sum ifs. And now average. Average. Here is the sum. Sum. Now average. Average. Average, when we will select this one range, this range, you see this. We want to calculate the average of this figure, this one. This one. And select this range. This is the average.
Yeah. Yes. So
Average.
sum by number of columns.
Here is the sum, this average of this number. And suppose here we will apply the average function. Average. This one. This. Drag down this one. So what is the happening? Here is the average is a different figure, and here is the average in the different figure.
Yeah, more decimal values.
Yeah. Decimal values, and also the because we are averaging of this value. This value.
Yes.
This one, this one, this one,
11.
this one. And number of the here is the count is the number of the value is here 11.
Yeah. Mm.
And
Here is
sum
only
is also
5.
yeah, sum. And then here is the count is
5.
the 5.
5.
This is difference, and here is the amount is also very some amount, and then after sum divided average means sum
Divided by count.
Sum divided by sum this one means sum divided by count. This. So this is the average, and suppose we want to apply the average means average is average is a range. Select this one. Criteria we can put the here greater than 150, and then sum range, average range. See the average, and then you select this one. This is the average if.
No, why it is
Then,
different? Average is average, right? Like,
yeah, if you see the average, this is the average. Here is the I apply the condition greater than 150.
oh, okay. But how it will
Here,
change? Because average will not. Okay, it will take only if the value is okay greater than.
here average is counting for the whole
Oh,
value. This is
yeah,
the
yeah.
whole
Okay,
a
understood,
complete.
understood.
And for the average, if here is the suppose this one is rejected, this one is selected, this one is rejected, this one is rejected, this one is rejected. So average will be this one.
Understood. Understood. Yeah.
Then average if average ifs. Average rank is one. Criteria rank is one. First criteria. First criteria is greater than 100, suppose 150, and less than, again select the criteria 2, this one, and criteria rank should be less than 190. Here is giving the division error. Average rank in this one, criteria rank should be this one, greater than 150, and L4 P4 less than 190. So what is happening here? There is the no any count.
Mm.
Divided something by 0 is, suppose we divided something with 0. This
So
division.
we'll get error. Yeah.
Yeah. Because there is no any values, solve that range, criteria range. No any value, this is the greater than 150 and less than 190.
Mm.
This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So this is the average if and average ifs. Count everything. Now we go to the here. We want to the sum of the salary. Sum on the average of sum of the salary. You see the sum of the salary. Suppose sum this one. So giving the these values. This is the value which is the after the sum. This is the comes out means the total salary expense this amount.
Mm.
And average salary per year. Suppose we want to the check the what is the average salary. Average average salary. So average salary is this one, 56971. And suppose here is the one function subtotal. So name
Subtotal.
is sum total. Total, subtotal. Subtotal. We will average count a max minimum product standard. We want to the here average. Suppose we want the here average. And then select the range. This range, then it will give the value. This is the same as the value as this
Yeah,
here.
understood.
So
Subtotal function. Okay.
subtotal. Total. And suppose subtotal total we want to the 2, then it will be give the count. Will be give the count. Here count. The count. Count. When we will subtotal will give the count A. 3. Then suppose we take this one. Count A means the counting all the things except blank.
But
Count
this is numeric, right? So we applied an character.
Yeah. Count, we can here also apply a F column. Suppose we want to the F column. Here. F and F2. Given the same result. 68. Then subtotal. Here is the max. Suppose we want to the max value. Then this one. This is the maximum value. Max. Minimum. This one. Subtotal.
Why?
5. Then we will take this one. Then enter. It is the minimum salary. Then subtotal. Here for standard deviation. Standard deviation is this one. Suppose we take the sum 9. Select this one. Standard deviation statistical. Subtotal then sum.
Can we get top 5 means lowest 5 values, highest 5 values?
So large and small function. We will see that one, okay? Large and small.
Means top 5, top low
So,
values.
yeah.
Okay.
Then here is the subtotal. We give the anything average. 101 is also for the average count A. This one. So this is the pattern. Okay. And large. Suppose the here large function, and what is the large function? First large function or top function. Okay. Function or top 1, 2, 3, 4. And
Mm.
then here we apply large function. Select the salary range, this one, and freeze this one.
Okay.
Freezing, yeah, and then select the which large we want. We want one. First means first one will be the maximum value.
Mm.
This one. So this is the first maximum. This is the first. Can you see this is the maximum? Second, third, fourth, five.
Mm.
Large and top. And then small or bottom. Here small function. Small. This one. Select the area here. This one. Reach F4. This one. Then select this one. So this value will be so the minimum value. First one, this one.
Okay.
Can you see this one? We can also give the manually. Suppose large function is there. Large function. We want to see what is the 10th highest value. Manually we can give and then this one. So this is the manually we can also put the values. Suppose a 10, 12, 13, 1, 2, 7, 8, whatever the our choice. Bottom, suppose we want to the bottom, from bottom the bottom is small. Select this range. This one. Read that code. And suppose you want to select 68 from bottom. What will be value? It will be maximum value. What? Because after the minimum, we are there is the how many? Here is the data size 68. Data size is 68. Excluding the header, here is data is 68.
68.
So when we put the 68, then it's small value we give the highest means the maximum value.
No. Sorry, here I missed this. So how this is?
Yeah.
This is the maximum value, right?
Yeah, maximum. Small because the here total number of this the count is the 68, right? And from bottom, small means the when we sort this data, when we sort this data, this one, suppose we sort this data from smallest to the highest. Okay. This one. This one. Actually, we have to do. Sort data from smallest to the largest. So small function will be this one. This one first is small, minimum value will be this one. And then after we will proceed to 68, small function, 60, small function to this one, small function, this one, small function for this one, small function by this one, small function, 68, then this one. Pardon? See. And suppose we write here large function, large, select this one, large, this one, this one, and 68.
Okay.
Then it is giving the minimum value. But
Okay.
means there is the after suppose you have you sort the hair as a largest to the smallest right now. First this one
Mm.
large value. This the large value means that this is the maximum value.
Mm.
Got? Then second largest this one, third, and this is the position of this one is 68. So
Mm.
this is the smallest one. Got it?
Mm. Mm.
Now we get suppose we have to the let me know what is the salary, expense, then sum, select this one, the total salary expense, average salary, is average, this one average. Now we want to the form
Well,
is,
I have one question here. If you see
yeah,
in the average formula, so the
yeah.
value 2 is also coming. What is the value 2 here? Means
What is the value?
no,
Two.
if you click on the formula, so
Yeah,
before closing the parenthesis, so the value
yeah,
2 is also coming. So can we select the if any other columns are there? Yeah, number 2 you see here.
yeah, here, yeah. We are
Okay.
starting from here. First one is the header.
Uh,
Yeah,
yeah,
okay.
no, no. My
First,
question is, the number 2 means, can I select if any other columns if I want to also calculate the average?
yeah,
Um,
yeah. We can also do.
okay.
Suppose we want to the Excel count the average from this position here,
Uh,
right?
uh,
Here to the here. Then you will select this one. This enter them. This is the value also given.
okay.
So average
Mm.
and suppose we apply the department is here. This one research and development. Sales. Sales. Department human resource. Um, And here we want to the sum if and here the average rate average if sum if this one select range first. You will select the range. Range will be this one. Criteria range will be this one. See this one F4. Then criteria range, then criteria. Criteria is the research and development. This one criteria. You pick this one, you want this one. Then sum range. Sum range will be here. Salary.
Mm.
This one. And press F4. Then look enter. This one for sum means for the one criteria. Sum is for the one criteria, sum is for the multiple criteria. Now we come to the calculate average if this one range should be first criteria range, this one F4 criteria research and development. You can see this one average range, this one range F4, then bracket this one. So this is the value. This is the sum on average. Now this is for the tabular form. This one means the research and development total salary expansion is this one, and average salary is given per person is this one. Average salary is the department wise, is the research and development divide, research and development divide. Development department is the 54655. And for the sales department is the salary is given this one, average salary is this one. And for the human resource, this is the total salary, average salary this one. So better is the sales department. Did you got it?
Yeah, understood. Department wise, yeah, we are summing up the values. Yeah, criteria.
Now we'll take this one department. Here, gender. And we will do some ifs. Some ifs. Some range. This one will be first here. Some range. We select this one. Press F4. Then criteria range. This one. Criteria range. This one. Criteria. This one. Criteria range 2. This one. Criteria. This one. This one. This is for female, male. This is the sum range. Sum. This is the for the. Here is the for sum. Means salary is given to the research development female to this figure and male to the this figure. For the sales, this one male for the 6070 66,000 6 lakh, and here the 61 lakh for the male. And for the human resource means that there is no any candidate who is the female, For the meals is 13, 51, 48. This is the sum, and suppose average we will calculate for this one. Average is this one average. Average. Then we will use average if average is average range. This one will be average range. I have 4 criteria range. This one. Criteria range. Criteria. This one. This one. Second criteria. Here. Four criteria. This one. This one. And close bracket. This one. Then this one. Here is the division error because the 0 candidate, female candidate.
In human resource.
So this is the average. So average this is bigger. Suppose there is the more than 2 criteria, 3 criteria sometimes. Sometimes the criteria is the 3 criteria. Then how it's possible? This one. Yeah. This one. This one here will take married. Here also one criteria. And the from male. This one. Some ifs here. Some range. This one will be some range. This one. First criteria range. This one. This one. Criteria is this one. This one. Second criteria range. This one. F4. Criteria. Female. This one. 4 criteria range. This one. And 3 criteria range. This one. F4. Criteria is this one. This one. This one. See the for sum. So this is the You married. Suppose we want to just change the here married in place single. Single. Then you just put the data for the single.
Oh, automatically it will update. Okay, by
Yeah.
taking the value. Okay,
Yeah.
because we have
Automatically.
given the cell reference. Okay, understood.
Yeah.
Mm.
Then this is for the average. If average gives average rank. This one. Criteria range. This one. Criteria. This one. Second criteria range. This one. Second criteria. This one. This one. Third criteria range. This one. Criteria. This one. Not four. It's in the yeah. Division here because the zero is count. Zero is the. So this is the for average. Suppose the data right now in this format.
Mm.
Yeah, for which one? Then have the same one. Then what is the the which one is pattern. Suppose sometimes we have to create the report in this pattern.
Mm.
So yeah, for some ifs, some then this one. Criteria range. This one. Criteria. This one. This one. Second criteria. This one. Criteria range. This one. Our criteria range. This one. Criteria. this one. This one. This one. Here, similarly, we have to complete some ifs. Some range. This one. This one. Criteria range. This one. Criteria. This one. This one. Then criteria is this one. Criteria. This one. Third criteria is this one. Criteria. Then here, suppose we will copy this formula. Okay. What we have to do, suppose we take this formula here and
We have to change the
only we have
reference.
to change the reference. This one. We have to change reference here. U43. 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 So, so here T and R. This is the way we can do. This is for sum. We will do for average. Average. This one. Average. Tips. Yeah. Select criteria range. Place F4. This one criteria range 2. This one. Criteria is this one. This one. Criteria is here. This one. Criteria is this one. Criteria is this one. And criteria is this one. Lower bracket. criteria in this one. Criteria, this one. This is the criteria. This one, criteria. 49. Too many are going for this person. H. Then actually I didn't apply here S. Ifs. Here this one. Now copy this one formula, paste here. So Q49 here will be Q49. Q49. This one. This one. Again, we copy this formula. This one will be Q49. Q49. This is the showing the Q49. Q49 here will not only Q, here will be O49. O49. Here, this one. Got it?
Understood.
Did you? So this
Yes,
is the
yes.
So this is the basically sum function, sum and average function. Okay, you practice this one and we will do next class.
Mm.
Tomorrow or some day. Next class when we will do
Yeah, tomorrow.
tomorrow.
If you are
Great.
available tomorrow, we can do it.
Yeah. Okay, I am sharing this file to you.
Okay, sure. Okay, thank you.